Hi, this is a video to show you how to make a line graph from your boiling water experiment. And you can see here I've collected the data over 10 minutes for the water. And now I want to make a line graph for my results. I'm going to highlight the table, copy, go to type in sheets.new in a new tab. Click on any rectangle, paste in the data there, and you can see the table is already highlighted, so I'm going to insert chart, and you can see it's made a line graph of my results. This is what I want because if both variables, the independent and dependent variable, are both numbers, the rule in science is we always make a line chart, a line graph. So copy the chart, go back to the original document, paste in, and from this I can see that reading off the graph, it took around about 5 minutes, so 4 to 5 minutes to reach the boiling point for my boiling water, and that time the temperature is gradually going up. Once it reached 100, the temperature really stays the same, even if I continue heating it. This is because the energy from the Bunsen burner, the heat, is being used to evaporate the water, not raise the temperature further, and that's why the graph does go up and up and up, up and up. The water is boiling here, so it's a change of state, so the energy is going towards changing the state rather than continuing to heat the water. The energy is going in the water vapor into the air.